Hey guys, welcome to What's Poppin' with Hagen's. Friar's Chicken is one of the best chicken places in town out here in Melrose. A little building like this serves the best chicken. It's so good you won't eat the bones. Now, space is limited here, but I tell you what, at like 6 o'clock at night, this whole place will have a line out the door. We're gonna go inside and look at this place. Okay, so this is what I got today from Friar's Chicken in Melrose. I got 16-piece chicken. I got fries. Well, that bag was eaten. And 2 coleslaws and some hush puppies. For those that live in Melrose, go out and support your local Friar's Chicken. It's the best chicken in town. Tell them What's Poppin' with Hagen sent you.